Last time I tried out BILDR and I commented about how tricky it was to use, but I was doing that flying completely blind, watching no tutorials. I got a lot of recommendations to try with some of their templates because those seem to be really nice. So today let's make a simple to-do app and see if that's better. I'm going to continue to data here. We can use Google Sheets, BILDR, continue to collaborators, and then template is what we're talking about. So last time I made a blank project, but today let's make this to-do app. And I'm just going to click select and then continue. I'm going to skip this plan and it's just going to bring me to the build page for the to-do app. So we can see that this is what they gave me right now. It is 4 or 5 screens. Let's see what it looks like in action. I'm going to preview the home page. So this is what they give me. They have a lot of these different sections of the home page built out. I can click get early access, doesn't do anything. I actually want to get to, in fact, looking here, the screen that I see right here is not even what I get to here. So I'm actually going to click this /app. That brings me here and I'm going to click sign up. All of that's already made and sign up. And then this is what it takes me to. This is their templated app, and you can actually see that there seems to be some issue over here where all of this is squished in the bottom. I can toggle between profile, which is again stuck to the bottom here, and then to-dos. Let's see how functionality actually works. So when I clicked that, I can add a new task. Let's call this clean the sink. Add some sort of notes. There seems to be this like extra markdown capability, though this doesn't look that nice. Do it before 9 p.m. And then, in fact, there's no save button. There's a delete button down here, which is pretty confusing. And then when I click save, it doesn't automatically close the tab, so that's another click. UX-wise, given that this is the second template that they provide, pretty weak. I can cross it off by clicking keenly down here, clean the sink. That looks nice, especially this highlighting, and then I can uncross it off. When I go here to try to add a new one, it actually doesn't give me the ability to add a new one. I'm just editing the same one. There's this teeny tiny pencil here that also does the same thing. So the application actually does not work. I'm sure with all of the functionality ability they provide us, we could make it work. But this is what was advertised, and this is what we got. So I actually realized that I made a mistake. When I was clicking new, I was actually clicking this because it's behind it, because this is layered. So when I click new elsewhere, it actually did make me a new task. But this UI is horrible. I've been doing a series where I've been trying out the AI builders, and I've been a pretty harsh critic for these different platforms, but BILDR takes the cake for worst, because without even trying to have that advanced functionality of using AI, their template just doesn't work. I'm sorely disappointed. Bubble and Flutterflow are my current favorites. Check them out. I'm going to link a free course in the description, but in my professional opinion, stay away from BILDR.